Okay, 1 year I have been using this vacuum, and I want to come back, give you an update, let you know what life is really like with this. And life with this is actually really good. Number one, as you can see me throwing it around, it is super light. It does have a half-gallon capacity, which is fine for most of your normal spills. I can even clean up my dirt from all my other outdoor equipment I've been demonstrating here. How nice is that? I mean, it works really well. Battery-wise, the battery is enough to power it for more than I've ever needed to use it for. I will say it does have this cool feature where you can pull this out and use it as a hose, and then you just pop it back in here and it's like a regular vacuum. Great for cleaning the car, right? It's so cool because you can like clean the rugs, clean the seats, and then when you need to get in between the seats or on the floor, you just take that and go. Do I have any complaints about it? No, honestly. For what it is great. This is not the pipe burst in the house and I gotta clean up the water as quickly as it's coming out. This is definitely like my daughter knocked over her water and it's all over the floor and it's super easy to clean that up, or I use it to obviously clean the table up like this. All those kind of small jobs, it is great that you just pick it up, carry it, no wires, no fuss, no muss. Definitely this is a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. A year later, I still love it. All right, I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.